So togo chake ke usigo sege song.
Bora some statement. Bora some statement.
Moja bebe masimu. We can start.
Members of the Fourth Estate, we want to make this statement from Nyaribari Church. As you can see, these are leaders from Nyaribari Church and Nyaribari Masaba constituencies regarding the behavior and actions by the Deputy Governor, Kisii County, Honorable Dr. Robert Monda. And so it goes. We are not party to the recent move by the Deputy Governor, Dr. Robert Monda, to join UDA leaders and those opposed to the county leadership. We categorically state that as leaders from Nyaribari, we were not consulted by the Deputy Governor and his decision to join the political camp, which is anti-development and anti-government. We wish to remind the Deputy Governor, Dr. Monda, that the seat that he occupies belongs to the Nyaribari people, and that as people who belong to the Kisii County, he must consult before making any political move at any given time. It is unfortunate that the Deputy Governor, Dr. Monda, is now going against the Governor of Kisii, His Excellency Simba Arati, who means well for the people of Kisii and Nyaribari as a whole. We are sad to note that the Deputy Governor has joined the political detractors who are fighting the governor and distance himself and the entire Nyaribari people from the move. This is to say that the Deputy Governor Monda made a personal move and not that of the people from Nyaribari, which does not involve the people that I've mentioned, those who come from the two constituencies of Nyaribari Chache and Nyaribari Masaba. The UDA leadership in Kisii that is led by one Silvanus Osoro, the Senator Richard Momoima Onyonga, and the Kisii Women Rep Donya Toto, and now Dr. Robert Onsare Monda, who is the Deputy Governor, to cease from fighting our dear governor and let him to serve the people of Kisii County. We now demand that the Deputy Governor, Dr. Monda, to clarify whether he has honorably defected or stepped down from his role as the Deputy Governor of Kisii County. Yes. And lastly, we want to state as follows, that within 24 hours, the Deputy Governor, Dr. Robert Onsare Monda, must come out within the 24 hours to clear the air on whether his move is to step down as a deputy governor or to work for the people of Kisii County.
Yes.
And that marks the end of our statement. We will allow 1-2 people to comment on the same.